Hey, boys and girls, happy Friday. Today is Friday, March 20th, 2020, and this is your last day of schoolwork for the week because you get 2 days off, Saturday and Sunday, or your weekend. So let's get it done, and then you can have the rest of the day to play. Okay, first of all, I want to show you something. I'm noticing, I'm trying to figure out how many of us are actually logging in and watching these videos and doing the work. So I'm noticing when I pull up my Google Classroom, see I can look at it on my phone too, and I touch the pink one for math, just like you do, and then it'll show me my assignments. And so, for example, today's or yesterday's math, which was Thursday, it shows me kids who have turned it in. So there's a box that says turned in. So when I look at Thursday, it says Addison, Cooper, and John turned it in. Now I know more of you than just those three did it, but so what I think I'm going to do so I can kind of see that you're doing it, make sure that you click on, I think it's going to give you an option that when you do it to turn it in. So make sure you turn it into me, which you're not really turning it into me, but just tell me that you're turning it into me so I know you're doing it. On Wednesday, it says Addison and John turned it in. And then on Tuesday, it says Isabella and Owen Massey turned it in. And then on Monday, it says John, Owen, Massey, and Peyton turned it in. So I know, like I said, I know more of you all are doing your work than that, but just click on the turned it in so at least I know that you're following along with us and doing work. Okay, so also, I want to give a couple shout outs because I just logged into Extra Math. And these are all my kiddos who have been working on Extra Math this week. So it looks like Annie and Ben did some Extra Math on Monday, and Eve did some Extra Math, and Finn has done 3 days worth of Extra Math, and Kareem's done 3 days of Extra Math. And let me skip to my next screen. And I've got Maggie did Extra Math today, or yesterday, I guess, as it is. And Owen Green did some Extra Math, and he earned a certificate. Good job, Owen Green. You got addition, and Penelope's done some Extra Math. And I know for a fact right now that Lila just logged in, and so she's very close to getting a certificate too. So I hope tomorrow when I look at Extra Math, I hope that I see that I have some more certificates. All right, the first thing I'm going to have you all do, if you haven't done it already, remember way back in the beginning of your workbook, lesson 1 had those core fluency practices, and I know that we didn't do E. So if you haven't done it yet, I want you to do your E core fluency practice page. And then, so pause and do that and then come back, because this lesson 5, has 2 activity sheets that we're going to do together in this video. And then the other 2 sheets are problem sets that you're going to do on your own. So also, because it's YouTube, if you like what you see, make sure you click like below this video. Give me a shout out in the comments, and we'd love to see you subscribe. Okay, anyway, lesson 5, activity sheet 1. All right, it says, use the table to label and complete the bar graph. First thing I notice when I look at this table is that there are 4 columns, and then it seems like as you go up, there's a lot of rows. So the rows, I think, is what I'm going to be numbering. And the columns are going to be, since there's 4 pieces of data here, the columns are going to be where I put, below the column is where I put each piece of data. So the first table that we're looking at today is titled Pennies Saved. So I know that that's going to be my title for my graph. So I'm going to go ahead and write it up top here. Pennies saved. And then, like I said, I already decided that there were 4 categories here, 4 labels. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So I'm pretty sure that means that's how many pennies they saved each of those days. And like we talked about yesterday, Saturday's a long word, and it's going to be hard to fit under here. So I'm going to abbreviate it. I'm going to write SAT. S-A-T. And then Sunday, I'm going to write Sun, S-U-N. And then Monday, I'm going to write M-O-N. And Tuesday, I'll write T-U-E. How about that? Okay. Now, when I go ahead to label this graph, I want to make sure that I start with 0 and not 1. So 0 would be like if I hadn't colored in anything. So 0 is going to go right here. And then if I don't collect any pennies that day, then I don't color anything in, and that's the 0 line. So now I want to go ahead and we're going to number up by ones, I think, because our biggest piece of data, Saturday, is 15. And as long as I have 15 boxes, I'll be good. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I have exactly 15 boxes. So let's go ahead and number the lines, not the spaces, okay? So when you start numbering, here's 1. I think I might number a little bit closer. 1, 2. It's hard to make your numbers really small like that. Sometimes that's what I extend the line out a little bit. 3, so it kind of points to the number. Okay. So 15 is that top line. And we just saw that on Saturday, this person saved 15 pennies. So I think I'm going to make Saturday be red. And I might just color code my label right there like that too. But basically, I'm going to color in. See what I'm doing here? I'm coloring in the Saturday column. And because it's 15, I'm going to color it all the way to the top. Okay. Sunday, 10. So remember before I was going 1, 2, 3 and putting dots. You can keep doing that. Or you can use the 10 over here and go across the 10 line and see, and then color down. So this is Sunday. I'll go ahead and make that be blue to match. Sunday. Okay, Monday. How many on Monday? Monday I saved 4 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, and yep, it matches. And then Tuesday, I saved 7 pennies. So there's my 7 line. Come over here and color down. There, now I have a nice looking graph because I love that I use different colors. Makes it really easy to read. My pennies saved. This is a great way to show information because people can look and automatically go, oh, well that day you saved the most. What day was that? Oh, that was Saturday. Okay. Oh, you didn't save very much this day. What day was that? Oh, well that was Monday. Well, how many did you save on Monday? Well, you saved 4 pennies on Monday. Okay, so now we're going to go and we're going to answer the questions. How many pennies did Callista save in all? Sounds like an addition sentence to me. We're going to have to add up all of the days that she saved pennies. She saved 15 plus 10 plus 4 plus 7. Okay. How much is that? Well, 15 plus 10 is 25 plus 4, 26, 27, 28, 29.
30.
And 29 plus 7, I think I'm going to think of it as 30 plus 6, so 36. Okay. Her sister saved 18 fewer pennies. How many pennies did her sister save? Okay, 18 fewer would mean I take 36 and I'm going to subtract 18. This might be a good counting up one. This would be a good chance to practice your vertical method too. But 36 minus 18, look, you can't do 6 minus 8, so you're going to have to regroup. So we could do that. Or we could count up from 18. And we could do 18, we could do a plus 10 jump to 28. And then if we did another plus 10 jump, that would be 38. That's too many. So now we could just jump up to 30, which would be like a plus 2 jump. And then from 30 to 36 would be a plus 6 jump. So now we're at 10 plus 2 is 12. No, honey, wait a second, please. Plus 6 is 18. Okay, so Callista, let's see here. Her sister saved 18 fewer, so her sister saved 18 pennies fewer. 18 also. So, or I'm sorry, her sister saved 18. She saved 36. How much more money did Callista save on Saturday than Monday and Tuesday? Well, Saturday she saved 15. And when we're going to compare the difference between Saturday compared to Monday and Tuesday, that's combined together. So first we have to figure out how much she saved on Monday and Tuesday. She saved, let's see, Tuesday was 7 and Monday was 4. So together that's 11. And then Saturday she saved 15. So we want to find the difference between 15 and 11. So we can do 15 minus 11, or we can count up really easily. 15 minus 11, we would start with the lower number 11, and as we count up, we go 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's 4. Now, how will the data change if Callista doubles the amount of money she saved on Sunday? Okay, so right now, Callista saved 10 on Sunday. So if Callista saved 20 on Sunday, well, first of all, the data is going to change because now Sunday is going to be the day that she saved the most money. So Sunday would be, if that changes, Sunday would be the tallest column. Now also, the total amount that she saved is going to change because she saved total 36 cents. But now, because she saved the extra 10 cents because we doubled Sunday, she will save 46 cents. So a couple things are going to change here. How can I say that in a sentence? She will save 20 pennies on Sunday. Oh, I'm going to run out of room. Now, her total is, let's see, we're at 36. Now her total is 46 pennies. That's how that data is going to change. Okay, and now write a comparison question that can be answered using the data on the bar graph. What should I write? How about this? If Callista saved half as much money on Monday, is that going to work? Then how much less would she have saved? That might be too confusing what I'm asking. Because I was thinking if I was trying to get someone to say, okay, if she saved half as much on Monday, so instead of saving 4 cents on Monday, she saved 2 cents on Monday, how would the data change? So I guess if I ask that, I guess the answer to that would be we'd have to take 2 off of the total. So the data might change by that instead of saving 36 cents now total, she saved only 34 cents. I don't know, there's a lot of cool questions we can ask about this data. So I know you'll think of something and put it down. And then when you have something, turn the page. And we're gonna go a little quicker on this one because this video is already getting kind of long. All right, the table to label and complete the bar graph and then answer the questions. So we've got the amount of nickels. Oh, this must be another one of those saving questions. Annie saved 5 nickels, Scarlett saved 11, Remy saved 8, and Lachey saved 14. First thing I noticed though is where am I going to put my categories? It can't be like the last graph we did because now there's a bazillion columns, but there's 4 rows. This must be the horizontal kind of graph where we write each category here. And it looks like the categories are the kids' names. So the title of this graph is amount of nickels. And I just took that right off the table. And the categories are Annie. So I'm just going to write an A, I think, because there's no other A names here. Scarlett, I'm going to write an S. Remy, I'm going to write an R. And Lachey, I'm going to write an L. Now, we know that this is going to be 0. We're going to number along the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and it goes up to 15. Okay, wait a minute though. Does that fit all of our data? Yes, because our biggest number is 14. Okay, so the amount of nickels. Annie, I'm going to go fast. She saved 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Scarlett saved 11. For Scarlett, I'm going to find the 11 and see how I did that? I found the 11, I went straight up and I colored the end of her line because now I know that's where that's going to end. Okay. Remy, 8. There's the 8. Go up to Remy, and then there's the end line for him. And Lachey. Ooh, good job, Lachey. She saved 14. She almost had the whole graph filled, so she's all the way over here. And let me get her colored in. Okay, that was fast. All right, how many nickels do the children have in all? Wow, what an addition problem. So I have to add up 14 plus, well, I guess I could just go back to the chart too if that makes it easier. 14 plus 8 plus 11 plus 5. That'll tell me how many they have in all. I wonder how I should complete this. I guess I could do 14. I could think of the 11 as 10 and 1, and then I could go 24, 25. Plus 5 is 30. Plus 8 is 38. What is the total value of Annie and Remy's coins? Oh my goodness, that's a big one. I'll tell you what. Nickels. Nickels are worth 5 cents. So, if we want to figure out how much Annie has, each one of these coins is worth 5 cents. So Annie has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 cents. I'm going to write that under Annie, 25, and to abbreviate the cents, like that. So for the rest of these guys, if we just skip count by 5s for each coin that they have, it'll tell us how much money they have. So Annie has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Scarlett has, and if you want to do the skip count, pause. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 cents. Scarlett, 55 cents. Okay, Remy, if you want to pause and count it yourself first, do it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 cents. And Lachey, this is a big one. Pause if you want to challenge yourself. Okay, you back? Okay. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70 cents. Okay, so what is the total value of Annie and Remy's coins? So Annie is 25 cents plus Remy has 40 cents. 25 plus 40, and then we could write that vertically if we want to, or we could count up. I'm going to count up starting from 40. I'm going to count up by tens and go 50, 60, 65 cents. How many fewer nickels does Remy have than Lachey? Now that's asking about the number. So how many fewer nickels, not how much less money, how many fewer nickels? So Remy has 8 and Lachey has 14. So we got to subtract to find the difference. 14 minus 8, or count up from 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 6. Who has less money? Annie and Scarlett or Remy and Lachey? Oh, who has less money? See, I would have thought they were asking for more money. Okay, so we're looking to see who has less money. Annie and Scarlett together, 25 plus 55. Remy and Lachey together are 40 plus 70. So you're going to have to figure out I already know who it is. It's Remy and Lachey. See if you can figure out how much less it is. Or I'm sorry, Remy and Lachey have more money. I see, I would have messed that up because I was thinking who had more. Annie and Scarlett have less. And then finally, a comparison question. And I know you can come up with something. All right, guys, happy Friday. Get your work done, and then you have all weekend. You will not see or hear from me again till Monday, okay? All right, bye.